Welcome to TechLipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change language in your Samsung TV. So at first you have to go to your TV home screen and then you have to press this settings button from your remote to open up your settings app. And at the bottom you can see all settings option, then just select it and then press OK. Then go to all settings option. From here scroll down and then go to general and privacy. From here scroll down again and then go to system manager option, and at the second option you can see language, then just select it and then press OK, and that's it. Now from here you can change your TV language and you can choose any language as you want. Suppose if you want to set English language in your TV, you have to just select English and then press OK from your remote, and it's done. Now you can see your language has been changed successfully. And that is how you can change language in your Samsung TV. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.